Hi viewers, welcome to all. Here we are discuss about a project, an efficient design for reversible Valastri unsigned multiplier. In a digital gadgets application based arithmetic operation, a multiplier will take a major role to support a several multiplication algorithm. By the way, it's taken more logic sizes and power conceptions. As per the research of last few decades amongst various multiplication algorithms, a Valastri multiplications will provide a effective terms of low logic sizes and more speed of operation. In a recent arithmetic applications based circuit design will have more demand with a high speed and low area. In the manner, the proposed approach of this work will improve the speed of Valastri multiplication using reversible logic method without degrading its area parameter. The proposed multiplications will design using Verilog HDL and synthesized in Xilinx FPGA and hence proved all the parameters in terms of area, delay and power. Now we can verify the base paper. This paper is full and fully designed the Valastri multiplier with a reversible logic gate. Example, the Feynman gate and the TOEFL gate and the Praise gate. Okay, so this kind of logic gate they are designed with the support of full adders and half adders. Okay, they are using the reversible logic gate to design a half adder and design a full adder, and then they are designed this Valastri multiplier with a 4x4 design. Okay, but here the proposed work will design this Valastri multiplier with a 8x8 design. Okay, so this is a architecture for the 4x4 design. Okay, this is a method. Here this color will suitable for the Praise gate and Feynman gate and the 4-bit reversible full adders. Okay, and the 8x8 design will contain this architecture, and this is a method for stage 0, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and reversible full adder. Okay, we are developed this work in Verilog HDL coding, and this is a 4-bit operation for test bench, and this is a top model. Okay, so here we are generated a partial product generation with support of TOEFL gate, and the stage 1, stage 2 operations will cover up with the Feynman reversible full adder and the Praise gate for half adder. Okay, and this simulation process will be shown. Here this is a input and B input. Here A contain a 4-bit and B contain a 4-bit. Product contain a 8-bit. Okay, because the 4x4 multiplication, the output is product is 8-bit. Okay, so here you can verify the output. Okay, so 4 into 2 equal to 8, 8 into 4 equal to 32. Okay, everything will be correct. Okay, so that's why we are checked using the multi check output parallelly. Okay, so we can possible to check wherever we need. Okay, and this is a reversible gate for 8x8 multiplication. Okay, this is a reversible Valastri 8x8 multiplication. Here number of partial product will take 64. Okay, example A is 0 B02, A is 7 B7. Okay, and this is a code for the top model partial product generation, and this is a stage 0 stage 1 based operation, and this is a simulation output for this multiplication 8x8. Okay, here A0 8-bit and B0 8-bit and product output is 16-bit. Okay, now here we can verify the higher value because this one is a 8-bit multiplication, right? So for 8-bit we can possible to check 2 power 8 equal to 256-bit. So we can check anywhere. Okay, example 112 into 56 equal to 6272. Okay, we can use calculator and we can check that one. 112 equal to 56 means 6272. Okay, and the synthesis report for this project is a 4x4 multiplication. Okay, the LUT is equal to 27 and occupied slice is equal to 27, IO base okay 16. Okay, and delay we can check on here. Okay, 12.902, and this is an RTL schematic for 4x4 multiplication. Okay, so Praise gate Feynman reversible full adder. Okay, and the Praise gate contain a XOR gate. Okay, that kind of thing. Okay, so this is a RTL schematic, and for 8x8 okay it will take LUT 136 and occupied slices will take 136, IO base equal to 32, and delay will take 22.754 nanosecond, and this is the RTL schematic for that. Okay, so 8x8 multiplication, and we can check the comparison for this all Okay, so this is a comparison Toflio gate and Priest gate, Feynman gate, and Feynman full adder. Okay, so you can compare the slice LUTs, occupied slices, IOBS, delay power, and this is a comparison for the 4x8 valence tree multiplier and 8x8 valence tree multiplier with using the reversible logic gate. Okay, and we are written abstract document for this project. This is an abstract document, base paper abstract, enhancement of this project, proposed title, proposed abstract, advantages, disadvantages, and some notes. Okay, and finally literature survey with references. Okay, literature survey and also references. Okay, and thank you.
If you need more video related with VLSI projects implementation, please like and subscribe this channel.